In this video, I'm going to teach you how to 1v1 in Injustice 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Injustice 2 features local multiplayer, which means that you will be able to connect an additional controller to do 1v1 locally. So in this video, I'm going to showcase how you can do local 1v1s. You could also possibly do the same thing online, but like I said before, for this video, I'm going to be focusing on local co-op because I assume this is what most people want. So to start, go over to multiplayer from the home screen and choose versus, battle locally with friends. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you will require an additional controller. It doesn't matter which platform you are doing this on or which controller you are using. Just make sure that you connect it properly. You can connect them using a cable, which is going to be the most straightforward way, but this can be a little bit annoying to have a cable hanging around. But the other option is going to be to connect them wirelessly. So either press a connect or synchronize button or do a combination of buttons like pressing the PlayStation button and share button to enable Bluetooth. Just find a way to connect the controller to your platform, either a PC or a console. Once the additional controller is connected, just press any button on that controller and it will be assigned to player 2 right away. So player 1 will have the main controller or keyboard already connected, and player 2 will press any button on the secondary controller. Once they do this, they will be assigned the controller, and now you two are ready to play. Each of you can pick your character, and once you have selected the character, choose the stage and load in to do a 1v1. You can play as many 1v1s as you want with any character on any stage. As long as you connected an additional controller properly, you will be able to set up a local play or local versus lobby. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.